The Tryx Luca L70 has entered the market as a bold attempt at a premium PC case, offering a sleek, high-end design that draws attention, but it's not without its drawbacks. Priced at $239.99, the Luca L70 positions itself in the premium category, but does it truly deliver on its promises? After analyzing expert reviews, customer feedback, and its technical specifications, it becomes clear that while the Luca L70 offers some standout features, it's a hard sell for anyone seeking value or flawless performance. Visually, the Luca L70 impresses with its frameless corner glass, giving it a modern, aquarium-style aesthetic. The design is fresh, especially with the side-mounted front fan bracket and the innovative option to reposition the power supply bay. This level of flexibility is a rarity in PC case design, allowing builders to either place the PSU above or below the motherboard tray, depending on their preference. This unique feature adds a layer of versatility, particularly for those who want a custom look or improved cable management. The case also provides ample space for cooling, supporting three 420mm format radiator mounts, along with a vented rear panel for better airflow. However, this flexibility is tempered by several issues that make it difficult to wholeheartedly recommend. First, the case does not come with pre-installed fans, which is somewhat disappointing for the price point. The PSU bay itself blocks half of the radiator mount, limiting your cooling options. Additionally, the bottom-mounted PSU obstructs rear holes, further restricting airflow. Another notable flaw is the side panel mounting system, which has been criticized for not securing the panels tightly enough, potentially leading to rattling or instability. Despite these concerns, the bottom panel features an easy-to-remove dust filter, a small but appreciated detail for maintenance. The overall build quality, while solid, is also affected by a few engineering missteps. The case can support E-ATX motherboards up to 11.8 inches in depth, but it won't accommodate larger E-ATX boards, which is a limitation for enthusiasts who plan to use high-end motherboards. In terms of value, the Tryx Luca L70 doesn't quite stack up to some of its competition. While the Corsair 3500X ARGB remains a top choice for those after a value-driven, aquarium-style case, the Luca L70's high price tag and lack of included fans make it a harder sell. For users seeking a high-end case with solid cooling potential, the Lienli O11 Dynamic EVO offers a more well-rounded package at a similar price. Ultimately, the Tryx Luca L70 is an ambitious case that brings fresh ideas to the table but stumbles in execution. Its unique design and customizable features are appealing, but the build quality and lack of essential components like pre-installed fans make it less appealing when compared to other cases in its price range. If you're looking for cutting-edge aesthetics and flexibility, the Luca L70 might be worth considering. But if performance and value are your priorities, other options might serve you better.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.